everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yaki Udon. Yaki Udon, stir-fried udon noodle, is very easy one-pan dish. You can make it within 10-15 minutes. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of frozen udon noodles, cabbage, green pepper, carrot, thinly sliced pork, 2 teaspoons instant dashi soup stock, 2 tablespoons mirin, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, and some katsuobushi bonito flakes to garnish. And vegetable can be anything, and meat can be anything. I'm cutting the vegetable first, so cabbage, cut the core off. Now let's cut it into half. Now I want to make thin strips, so take some leaves, press it down to flatten, and then slice. Green pepper is in thin strips too, so let's cut it in half, remove the pith and seeds, and I'm going to cut it diagonal. Carrot into thin strips too, so let's make thin slices. Then julienne. Then pork, you just cut it into bite size. Meat and vegetables are ready. Now I'm cooking udon noodle using microwave. I rinsed it under running water so it's wet, so that it doesn't dry out, it's being microwaved. Let's cover it with plastic film and just microwave it until it's nice and soft. While I wait for udon noodles to be cooked in microwave, I'm sauteing the vegetable and meat. Let's add pork. Let's just cook it until pork is brown. Now I'm adding vegetables. And keep cooking until vegetables are wilted. Vegetable looks good, so I'm adding udon noodles. All mixed, so let's add the seasonings. 2 teaspoons instant dashi, 2 tablespoons mirin, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, and mix it well. And I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. When it's all mixed, it's good to go. So let's turn the heat off and serve. Serve on a plate. Let's sprinkle some katsuobushi bonito flakes on top. And Yaki Udon is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!